Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you stunning Myanmar dresses. Whether you're looking for a traditions for modern designs, I hope you will find some inspirations in this video. Let's start with traditional Myanmar dresses. These dresses for their intricate embroidery, vibrant colors, and classic designs. One of my favorite traditional Myanmar dresses in the embroidered kurta. It's a timeless piece that can be worn on a special occasion of every day. The intricate embroidery on these dresses is truly stunning. Each stitch is carefully crafted to create beautiful designs that's both elegant and eye-catching. Next, let's talk about modern dresses. These dresses are perfect for those who want to stay on trends while still honoring traditional dresses. One of my favorite modern dresses is the fashion kurta. It's a modern take on the classic kurta with fashions of westerns and eastern designs. These dresses are perfect for special occasions for everyday wear. They're stylish, comfortable for visual styles. Now that we've talked about traditional and modern Myanmar dresses, let's talk about styling tips. Here are a few of my favorite pair traditional Myanmar dresses. Look with statement jewelry for a bold look, and a modern twist to a traditional dresses with a pair of heels sneakers. Experiment with different colors and patterns to find perfect combinations. If you are interested in purchasing a Myanmar dresses, there are several options to consider. You can find Myanmar dresses at local boutique, online stores, or even create your own custom designs. Some popular online stores that carry Myanmar dresses, including these stores, offer a wide range of designs and styles to choose. And that's I hope you enjoyed learning about Myanmar dresses. Whether you look for a traditional or modern designs, I hope you'll find some inspirations and modern designs. I hope you'll saw some inspirations in this video. The intricate embroidery on these dresses is truly stunning. Each stitch is carefully crafted to create a beautiful designs, beautiful styles, beautiful colors, beautiful sleeveless, half sleeve, full sleeve dresses, both elegant and eye-catching. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell for more fashion content. See you in the next video, and enjoy my all videos. Latest, most beautiful modern Myanmar dresses. These dresses are perfect for those who want to stay on trends while still honoring traditional designs. It's a modern take on a classic kurta with functions of Western and Eastern designs, beautiful colors, beautiful dresses. These dresses are perfect for special occasions. Um, Viewers or everyday wear, their stylish, comfortable, and beautiful styles. Pair traditional Myanmar dresses with statement jewelry for bold a look, beautiful shoes designs, ideas. The intricate embroidery on these dresses and most beautiful styles. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell for more fashion content. See you in